In this video, we're going to show you how to configure a directional sync between Google Sheets and Airtable using a filter. As an example, we've got a list of events that we captured from Eventbrite using our web scraper, and we'll have a link to that in the notes. Here we have all the events that are already captured, and we want everything revolving around jazz to be filtered into our Airtable base. To configure this, let's go over to our Byteline console, select Google Sheets, Airtable, and now that we've connected our apps, we want to go ahead and map our tables. Now that we've got our tables mapped, we want to go ahead and pick the direction going from Google Sheets to Airtable, and we're going to select here to add a filter. We're just adding one condition. We're using the event name contains jazz. Now let's go ahead and map our fields. Everything automatically loads for us, and we want to select a different unique key that's going to be used to identify each record. And we know that the link for each event is going to be unique, so let's use that instead. And now I'm going to be feeding new events into the Google Sheet. So I want to make sure that I have the Byteline Chrome extension added, and we'll have a link for instructions for that as well. But just note that we have those two columns that are added at the end of our table here. So we're going to go ahead and save this. And now we have all of these events here, but as a reminder, all we want is anything containing jazz. So we can see here that one event was created in our change history. We can go over to our Airtable, and that's now been added into the Airtable base. There's only one record, and we can confirm that by going into our Google Sheet, typing jazz, and it shows for just one record here, the Arthur Barnes Fine and Mellow Jazz Series. Confirmed here. Now everything is set up correctly. This is now live, and it's going to continue running and syncing between the two as new events are added from Eventbrite, from our web scraper. That'll get filtered into this Airtable base. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.